Shabbat Shalom, everyone. Good Shabbos. We continue our Torah reading from the book of Deuteronomy. The portion is Re'eh, which literally means to see, but we can also add to understand, to appreciate. What continues is the verse, understand, I have gifted you the blessing and the curse. It seems odd that God is giving us both the blessing and the curse. But sooner or later we come to appreciate that there can be a blessing even in a curse, and there can be a curse even in our blessings. You know, we're just about ready to enter the month of Elul. This is the month of preparation of mind and body and soul before the high holidays. And there are 40 days from the first day of Elul to Yom Kippur. Each one of those days counts, and there's work to do. There's work to do as far as introspection, evaluation, and the possibility of change. And of course, a very powerful symbol is this shofar, this ram's horn. It really carries out the message of blessing and curse as well. The first sound is tekiah, is one of hope. It's the ideal world. It's one we strive for. You know the tekiah sound. I'm going to do it right now. But then the ideal is so often shattered, the broken note, the ideal falls apart. These are the challenges in our lives. These are the curses, one might say. And then, oftentimes, it all falls apart. There's chaos. We don't know which way to turn. And these 9 staccato notes emphasize that alarm. You can count at home. But finally, if we hang in there long enough, if we get through these challenges, fortified by family, by friends, by your synagogue, we're always here for you. You are never alone. You can make it to the Tekiah Gedolah, the big sound of hope and promise. So we enter Elul. We look forward to this journey together, and we look forward to Shabbat, Friday night, Kabbalat Shabbat, 6 o'clock, weather permitting, out here in our beautiful courtyard. We wish you a good Shabbos, and we wish you much strength in working through Elul. Shabbat Shalom.